So I'm playing with the idea of getting a video camera so we could actually do videos. So here's me doing it. So I decided to do one of these unboxing video things that everyone likes to do. And since you guys love my Zenni glasses, I thought I would do that with my little... Alright, here we go. There's a trash can down there. Alright, so we open it up. And then a bubble mailer, of course. Ooh, they upgraded them. So it's like slightly transparent on one side. They got the little, whatever you call that. Website. It's a website. Alright, so I'm going to open it up. And these are supposed to be magnetic clip-on things again. So I've been having to like sort of like rough it with these super cheap British ones that like are digging into my face. So these better be the right ones. Oh, it is APO address. Thanks for telling me. Ooh, upgrade indeed. It comes with a little velvet lining now. If you can see that. Very snazzy. Alright. Looks like it's magnetic at least. And they're orange, which is what I ordered. Now we see if they're the right size. They were actually ordered the exact same model that I had purchased before, but these were roughly the same dimensions. So they look to be about what I had before. And of course the congratulations, you just upped your frame game. Share a pic. I guess I'll have to share a pic. And Zenni, by the way, if you want to like make me an ambassador, you know I'm game. I don't even know if you do that. Alright, and then these are the fabulous magnetic little clip-in things, which are actually, they have these clear things to protect them from getting scratched or whatever. Yeah, they don't fit with these. So looks like they're gonna be a little bit smaller than these frames, which is fine because these are kind of bulky anyways, and I can't say a thing now. My cat would like to say hi. This is Cole. Whenever I'm talking, likes to come over and talk. So, what do you think? A little bit more square, I think, than my last ones. But I'm kind of okay with that. Cole is basically a ghost right now. Do you want to come say hi? Oh yeah, you weirdo. You okay? The very good news is that I can see perfectly fine out of these. I was a little worried because when I finally got a new prescription after like 2 years, and when I bought these ones, the British ones, they like straight out, like looking straight ahead, I was fine, but if I tried to look like just slightly off, it would get like a little bit blurry, and I was a little worried that one of my numbers is not right. But it's probably just because they're super cheap and not as awesome as any. We'll just go with that. Alright, so if you have not seen these awesome magnetic things before like I had with my last pair, I'm going to show you the magic. So ready? We go from regular prescription glasses to sunglasses. Super easy. So how it works is they have little magnetic little doobop-doos here. You can see it. People in makeup videos do this. Come on. Yeah, little magnetic bits there. And then I'm not sure which side's a magnet, if they're both magnets, what one's metal. I'm pretty sure these are magnetic at the very least, because I know I've picked up like bobby pins and gotten them stuck to like coins. British coins. British coins are magnetic, in case you didn't know. Anyways, so there's a little bit in this part too, where they stick to. There we go. Yeah, and then the insides of these are orange, which is super fun. I thought it would go pretty fun with my hair. And it's just on the inside, so it's just like a little pop of orange, which will go a whole lot better once I redye my hair, because honestly it's so drab. That's a story for another time though. So, I got my new glasses. I can see fabulously with them. I have the whiniest cat ever. Yep, now he's gonna crawl across the back. What are you doing? Cole. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. And my cat. I needed to get like a real video camera so I stopped staring at the screen instead of like the camera part. But hey, it's fun to talk to the camera. Cole, do you like talking to the camera too? So pitiful. I should probably get him to bed.